Alexa, what do you do?
What is thy bidding, my master?
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Alexa, stop.
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
Don't make me destroy you.
You actually don't have to yell at it, okay? It uses far-field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room.
So it can just hear you anywhere?
Yes. Well, everyone can hear you anyway.
Oh, is that where we're going to put it?
I was thinking of putting it there, but it works anywhere.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things.
It's on
All you have to
Tuesday.
do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
Your powers are weak, old man.
It doesn't know so much, it's so small.
It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, huh?
Dad really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Wrapping paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
As you wish.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
No.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Alexa, alarm off.
You gotta get up.
It's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
The force is with you.
I'm up.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
I am your father.
And with the companion app, you can access Echo from anywhere.